Up 3.3 Graphical method of solution of a pair of linear equations. In the previous section, you have seen how we can graphically represent a pair of linear equations as two lines. You have also seen that the lines may intersect or may be parallel or may coincide. Can we solve them in each case, and if so, how? We shall try and answer these questions from the geometrical point of view in this section. Let us look at the earlier examples one by one. In the situation of example number 1, find out how many rides on the giant wheel Akhila had and how many times she played hoopla. In figure 3.2, you noted that the equations representing the situations are geometrically shown by two lines intersecting at the point 4, 2. Here in this graphical representation. Therefore, the point 42 lies on the lines represented by both the equations x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 20, and this is the only common point. Let us verify algebraically that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2 is a solution of the given pair of equations. Substituting the values of x and y in each equation, we get 4 in minus 2 into 2 is equal to 0 and 3 into 4 plus 4 into 2 is equal to 20. So we have verified that x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2 is a solution of both the equations, since 4, 2 is the only common point on both the lines. There is one and only one solution for this pair of linear equations in two variables. Thus the number of rides Akhila had on giant wheel is 4 and the number of times she played hoopla is 2. In the situation of example number 2, can you find the cost of each pencil and each eraser? In figure 3.3, the situation is geometrically shown by a pair of coincident lines. The situation of the equations are given by a common point. Are there any common point on these lines? From the graph, we observe that every point on the line is a common solution to both the equations. So, the equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 4x plus 6y is equal to 18 have infinitely many solutions in this graph. Every point on this line is a common point for both the equation, and hence this pair of linear equations has infinitely many solutions. This would not surprise us, because if we divide the equation 4x plus 6y is equal to 18 by 2, we get 2x plus 3y is equal to 9, which is the same as equation number 1. That is, both the equations are equivalent. From the graph, we see that any point on the line gives us a possible cost of each pencil and eraser. For instance, each pencil and eraser can cost rupees 3 and rupees 1 respectively, or each pencil can cost 3.75 and the eraser can cost 0.50 and so on. In the situation of example number 3, can the two rails cross each other? In figure 3.4, the situation is represented geometrically by two parallel lines. Since the lines do not intersect at all, the rails do not cross. This also means that the equations have no common solution. Here like this line is never intersect with this line, so both will never meet at a common point. So Uh, that means that equations have no common solution. A pair of linear equations which has no solution is called an inconsistent pair of linear equations. A pair of linear equations in two variables which has a solution is called a consistent pair of linear equation. A pair of linear equations which are equivalent has infinitely many distinct common solutions. Such a pair is called a dependent pair of linear equation in two variables. Note that a dependent pair of linear equation is always consistent. We can now summarize the behavior of lines representing a pair of linear equations in two variables and the existence of solutions as follows. Number one, the lines may intersect in a single point. In this case, the pair of equations has a unique solution, consistent pair of equation. Number two, the lines may be parallel. In this case, the equations have no solution, inconsistent pair of equation. Number third, the lines may be coincide. In this case, the equations have infinitely many solutions, dependent pair of equations, that is consistent. Let us now go back to the pair of linear equations formed in example 1, 2 and 3 and note down what kind of pair they are geometrically. Number 1, x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 20 is equal to 0. The lines intersect. Number 2, 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 and 4x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0. The lines coincident. X plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. The lines are parallel. Let us now write down and compare the values of A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2 in all the three examples. Here A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2 denote the coefficient of equations given in the general form of section 3.2.